How to use your voice in Suno AI music generator step by step. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, and if you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to this channel. Now, the first step you need to do is to go to your Google Chrome. I'm going to open my Google Chrome here, and then you will need to sign up for Suno AI if you have not signed up already. After you have signed up, now you will come to their homepage. So there are a lot of features here. Suno AI, actually it is a AI music generator that will help you to make your music sound better. So once you have come here, you are going to see on your left, you will see this create option here. You will click on it. Then once you are here, you are going to, at the top here, you are going to see simple and also custom. So when you click on custom, you are going to customize how you want to create your own music. And at the top here, you are going to see versions. We have 3.5. This is for free version. And we have 4, which is for Pro. 4.5, again, it is for Pro. 4.5 Pro. And 4 and 5, version 5. This is Pro Beta. So when you upgrade, you will be able to use these versions. So having known that, you will come here and click on add audio. If you already have recorded audio, you will just click on that, and then you will click on upload, and you can upload your audio. But for this video, I have not recorded an audio, so I'm going to record. Then you will allow your microphone to be used. Once this has popped up, as you can see, you have 1 minute limit. If you want to use longer audio, then you need to upgrade. So I'm going to use this 1 minute limit, which is free. So I'll just click on the button to start recording. The Lord is my light, though clouds may arise, faith stronger than sight looks up to the skies, where Jesus forever in glory doth reign. Then how can I ever in darkness remain? The Lord is my light, my joy and my song. By day and by night He leads me along. The Lord is my light, my joy and my song. By day and by night He leads me along. So once you have recorded the voice, you can now, you can even edit it. You can listen to it, then you can edit it. And if you feel that your voice does not sound well, you can start over. And after you have done that, we are just going to click on save. Then as you can see, it is uploading clip. So just give it time for it to finish uploading. The audio has been uploaded. So you can now click on the audio. Then we have the lyrics here. This is the lyrics. So you can customize this audio. You can click on these 3 dots, then highlight on remix stock edit. Then you can go to extend or cover. You can use any the one that you wish. So I'm going to click on extend. It is going to be uploaded on this side. We are going to add the lyrics, then style, then we are going to create. So the first thing, we are going to start with the lyrics. In order to get these lyrics, we are going to click on this. Then at the bottom here, we are going to see the lyrics. So let me just go back. Then click on this. Then you will see the lyrics at the bottom here. So you are going to copy these lyrics. Copy. Then you are going to paste it here. Now this is the lyrics. Then you will scroll down. Then style. I'm going to enter EDN. Then trends, I can use trends. Then piano. Then you can also check for advanced options. If you would like to add weirdness or style influence or audio influence, you can. Or if you want to use male or female voice, you can choose this in anyone that. You can also choose your vocal gender. You can choose male or female. Then you can enhance the voice. Then once you've done that, you are going to just click on create. So let us just give it time for it to finish. As you can see, we are going to have two variation of the music. So in order to download this music, you are just going to come down here, click on these three dots, then click on download button, then MP3. For wave audio, it is require you to upgrade, and for video also. So I'm going to download MP3 audio, then download anyway. So as you can see, it has already been downloaded. That's really it, guys. That's how to use your voice in Suno AI music generator step by step. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.